definitely Akuma is a pretty strong character, maybe one of the strongest in the game. But it all depends on who's playing and who has the execution.
I can't play Eliza in the next match because Arslan and Daud both have a good practice against Eliza. The Arslan used to play Eliza himself. So I will try. Yeah, मैं हमारा Arslan का. Yes, of course. Eliza is easier than Akuma. Yes, Eliza is.
Liza has pretty great 2D stuff. So her dive kicks are at 0, +3 and +4. Depending on the execution, it can go from 0 to +4. So she gets a lot of advantage and her wall carry is insanely
Oh,
good.
sorry. Save तो किया नहीं. Avas is playing first.
So we have the next match, Avas Honey going versus Aman King,
Aman.
Mr. Rage, gamertag Mr. Rage.
Oh, the king versus Akuma. Let's focus on the match.
Yeah, there will be Fakuram players. There was a Fakuram player, but his match happened offline. So next match he will play on stream. So King versus Akuma, guys.
Aman have a very good practice against Akuma. Let's see
Nice
what he
wave
can do.
punish, plus frames. Plus frames.
Oh,
Goes
counter
for the
hit.
combo. Misses the wall. And now trying to splat. What Honey
Oh, counter hit, grab, nice.
what Honey needs to do is get out of that wall.
One combo and king is over. Oh,
Nice one.
I think Honey is not in the practice. He's playing game after a long time. Oh,
Yeah, I
nice
heard
combo.
he was sick.
Yeah, he was sick.
So this is his first day back. Let's see what he can do. Cross range. Misses the
Oh,
whip
missed.
punish.
Oh,
Misses
missed
the punish on the
missed the
dragon uppercut.
launcher.
Wall combo.
Drive is coming.
What will be the follow-up? Go for the
Can you
grab.
break it? No,
Unbreakable.
that is one. Yeah.
Mon King going up 2 rounds versus the West Honey.
2 rounds up for the Aman Team Spartan.
Team Spartan looking very positive and
Let's
strong.
see if Avas can do the comeback.
Yeah, Akuma is very good for comeback. If you have that meter, he can totally obliterate you.
Oh, I don't think Avas can do comeback from here.
Yeah, but I think
But
it's
Akuma can do
possible.
anything.
Akuma can do
Yeah.
anything, you know.
Oh, it's plus. It's, when this move hit from a very good range, he have a lot of plus.
Also, if this move hits from a longer distance, you get a free 1-2. If the move lands in a lower situation,
Yeah,
you have a
exactly.
free follow-up. So Aman King going 1 up on Westani. Now we have the legendary brand player of Pakistan, Nasser Bilal, the LCQ champ, going up against
Brian.
Mr. Aman King, Mr. Rage.
Let's see what Black can do with his Brian. The deadly Brian.
Yeah, Brian
The
versus
fearless
King.
Brian.
I think it's in the favor of Brian. But Aman King is also a king specialist.
Yeah,
So I
he's a
think he
legendary
has
king player.
legendary king player, been playing king since
From,
the game came out.
Yeah, Taken 5. No, I think he's playing king from Taken 1.
So the oldest king of Pakistan versus the strongest Brian player
Yeah.
of Pakistan.
Oh, sorry. I put the wrong name, Brian.
Honest mistake.
क्या बना आपके मैच का?
सर आपके
क्या
साथ
बना? जीत गए? ओह, so AJ won the match against Yogi and Josh. क्या स्कोर था? 4-2. मतलब उसने मार दिए दो.
मेरा पार्टनर चोरी किया होगा.
आओ इधर बैठो.
So Farzeen is going for his match now. Joining me in the commentary is Ahmed Javed AJ, and we will be the commentators for today. Zarnab and Ahmed Javed AJ, also known as one of the best Julia players of Pakistan.
Astaghfirullah.
And Ahmed Bhai
Don't tell
undermining
lies.
himself. Man,
Yeah, that's what AJ stands for. It's not Ahmed Julia, Ahmed Javed.
yeah, also known as Action Jackson.
Action. Astaghfirullah. What the hell are you doing?
So guys, Team Spartan 1 up and Team Undisputed 0 right now. So now the match is coming up and the match has started. Let's see.
Bilal versus Aman.
Also on. Counter hit. That's the huge chunk of damage and both players facing each other. Nice back one counter hit. This will take him to the wall and wall combo. What will be the follow up? Oki plus frame.
Oh my god.
Man King
Aman.
takes the first round.
Aman has always given tough time to Bilal, I think. As long as I am seeing.
Yeah, Aman is a very good king player. He's a specialist.
Yeah.
So no punish on round for one. Catches him dashing. This will take him to the wall. And nice wall break.
The next one?
No follow up. Misses the taunt. Interrupted by Aman. What will be the mix-up? Misses the raid drive.
No.
Nice. Brawl takes blood here. No punish by Aman. Plus frames. Catches. Trying to catch Wall off guard. Covering his side self. Oh, misses. Nice. Aman takes another round.
Oh my god.
Aman is performing extremely
Oh,
well.
what the hell?
Nice launch. Takes him to the wall.
Break.
Huge damage.
Screw. Oh my god, next one. Bilal, I
Nice
think
whip punish.
I think both of these architects are missing. What the hell is
Yeah,
happening?
I think Bilal is playing a little aggressive.
Bilal is just confused.
Nice.
Oh my
Ali
god.
kick ender and
Is Aman
Spartan
taking
Aman
two-
takes another coin, takes another match. It's 2 up, Team Spartan, and 0 for Team Undisputed. Now Vasani comes in for the next match.
So basically, before this match, Irtaza and Aman were up against Qasim and Shomi. So it was Irtaza's time to shine. Irtaza went 4-0.
Yes, that was an amazing
My
comeback.
God, what the
An
hell was
unbelievable
Irtaza?
comeback.
And now it is Aman's turn. Aman is on 2-0 right now.
Township players are performing extremely well in the last couple of tournaments.
We're Spartan players now.
Yeah, Spartan players,
Spartan warriors
Spartan warriors.
with six packs and huge
Beard.
chests.
Goes for the giant spin.
Yeah, we just eliminated Yugi's team. So
No
thank
dragon
God.
uppercut. Misses the whip punish. Nice grab rate.
Okay, as Honey looking very serious and grumpy look on his face.
Will this be the end?
Oh my god.
What will be the follow-up?
Oh!
Fuck.
What the hell?
Second hit.
Well, Sunny has just, continued his action after a long pause because he was sick. He
Yeah, I
couldn't
think
play.
he is a top tier player and he will
He
be
is
back.
definitely a top
He
tier
will
player.
be back in
Yeah,
a couple
he
of
just-
days.
He just needs some practice. He just wants
Follow-up. Lost
whoa,
rally kick, no
confirm
punish.
while two. But he opted to go with down to fireball.
Instead.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
not
the
enough range.
wire standing 2 doesn't reach most of the times. And Mon looking very confident.
What the hell is Aman doing today?
Nice. So who will take it?
Come on,
One
Aman,
combo
come on.
away and one fork away.
One linker away. Oh, what the hell are you doing?
Nice block.
Okay, no problem. Just one round, Aman. Come on.
So will this be a comeback or will the Mon King take it? Goes
Oh
for the
my
giant
god.
swing.
No
and
escape. Tons of damage. Oh no, he got him. But practice or not, he will not miss cancels.
Yeah, that's the thing about King of Fighter players. They never miss their combos.
But it is a Street Fighter player.
Yeah. Same thing. Same concept.
It is not a Street.
No, I was talking about that.
Okay. Oh,
Nice
the
damage.
range. No, man.
Good
No,
job.
he is on
Mon
fire
King
today.
Takes it
Hell,
3-0.
Awaz Honey locking.
And
Not good.
Last
Not happy
match,
at all.
Last chance for Nasser Bilal to make a comeback. Let's see what happens in the next match.
Aman is on fire today. I don't know why. I don't know how, but he is. Let's see what Bilal has to do something magical, something extraordinary to win from here. Because we have seen in the previous match that Irtaza is in top of his form right now. You know, he
Yeah, he
4-0.
proved that by pulling a comeback.
Yeah, 4-0, man. 4-0 to Qasim and
Incredible
Shomi.
gameplay.
Yeah. So if Aman did lose,
There
this
is still
coin,
Irtaza waiting.
Yeah, Irtaza waiting for them, for Bilal. So the score is 3-0. We have to update the score. Yeah. No, 4-0.
कैम जा रहा है? कैम जा रहा है इसका?
किसका?
लैपटॉप.
Yeah. So I have Zarnab Sheikh from Faisalabad with me, guys. Incredible Leo player.
Thank you.
Okay. Back to the match. We have Bilal versus Aman. Match point for Team Spartan. So maybe some headphones adjustments, I think, or yeah. Bilal's headphone is not working, so okay, pop-up chat. Play taken these days. Bablu, yeah, Bablu is. I haven't seen him in action for quite a time.
Yeah,
He hasn't participated in many tournaments.
Yeah, last time I came to Lahore, I played him about a month ago, but that's all we have seen of him.
Okay.
He was not in yesterday's tournament. He
Yeah,
was not in
yeah, yeah.
today's tournament.
He's not participating in
He's
many
not
tournaments.
participating in any tournaments.
Nor his Hira is not well. I think he's sick.
So Hira could not make it today.
Yeah.
So he will join the next tournament for sure.
Inshallah. साइड से लग रहा है यार मेरी स्टिक को ना पता नहीं क्या हुआ है मेरी समझ नहीं आ रही मेरी पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है वाकई
आपको सेट करनी आती है
क्या
करनी आती है
मुझे नहीं आती okay all of our arcade sticks are ruined not working what the hell is happening my arcade stick is ruined Azarnab's arcade stick is not working and Bilal's arcade stick just fell down to the floor and is not working right now what the hell is this curse is this a curse
I think it's a curse yeah it's the tournament curse
what the fuck
and again disconnecting
रैंच मारो ठीक हो जाएगी स्टिक यहूदी साजिश I think this is a यहूदी साजिश it's a Aman is asking for a round again oh my god Bilal have to give a round check
so he's checking his arcade stick
okay
because
so
it's not working as well as it was supposed to so he adjusted his arcade stick by opening it up so let's see if his adjustments are working right now and he's checking his lever
so this is not an actual match they are just checking the arcade stick because Bilal's arcade stick is not working but sub already done don't worry भट्ट साहब को हम दिखा दें एक मिनट भट्ट साहब प्लीज़ मुलायजा कीजिएगा उमर भट्ट भाई हनी भाई फ्रॉम उमर भट्ट यार मैंने बता दी मैंने सबको बता दिया लेकिन फिर भी वो कह रहा है कि प्लीज़
Man off to a good start.
Okay, the match resumes. So Bilal, what do you think Bilal has to do right now to bring up a miracle?
Bilal has to be a little patient and a little aggressive. He has to play semi.
Okay.
Little defense, little attack, and just looking out for the whiffs and punishing them.
Okay.
So he can get a round and a comeback in.
Right.
Bilal takes first blood, and I think
So we all know. Oh my
goes
God.
for the taunt jack upper.
So the nerves are kicking in.
This will take him to the wall, and will we see a taunt?
Okay, Bilal is
Bilal
looking
taking
so
plus
good.
frames, again plus frames. Nice low, takes the round, goes 2 rounds up on Aman King. Taking him to the wall, again plus frames. Aman King
Okay, Oman trying to bring back. What the
trying
hell
to
is
bring
that
back
down by
the
3?
round.
Aman signature move down by 3.
Yeah, and the other signature move, the 1+2
1+2,
wall
1+2,
bounce.
yeah. Oh my god, taunt jets are not working.
So King at the wall, no power touch, and
again he has
the
to
arcade
give
stick
the arcade stick
goes
is fucked.
out.
His what is that stick? Bilal's arcade stick is just shit. अब इसको छोड़ तो दे होंगे. So Bilal has to give one round to Aman.
So he's again checking his arcade stick in
yeah.
this round.
I think Bilal should change his stick. Okay, the match resumes.
So
Let's see what Aman can do. Aman should, you know,
yeah, he's
take advantage of this
incredibly
situation.
strong. And Bilal taking him to the wall, quick taunt,
Oh my
nice.
God,
And Bilal finally gets the match in.
Yeah.
It's 3-1, and now Irtaza is coming.
Irtaza was waiting for a long time for his turn, and it is finally his turn.
But will it be his time to shine, or will Bilal for the comeback and make the incredible impossible, make the impossible
Yeah.
happen?
Irtaza is in incredible form, so we're gonna see some good ass taken from him.
This is a good ass
Yeah.
match. Best Brian versus
Best
Shai.
player, no doubt. So headphones on, grumpy face on.
Bilal really looking confident right now.
Yeah.
And Irtaza just coming up for his first match versus Team Undisputed.
Yeah. So back to the match, guys. Bilal just banging his liver, golden liver. See if it works fine now.
Yes, sometimes you have to mash the buttons of the
Buttons.
lever. This is a Pakistani
to
strategy
to make them work. Bang your hand on them. I so no. That Bulsi, that was not butt saab that I was talking about. That is another butt saab, you know. Okay, the Shayu
versus
time.
Brian. Spacing out each other. Plus frames.
AOP.
Nice interrupt.
AOP Princess
AOP
is back.
goes under. Again plus frames. Making Bilal overextend. Bilal gets counter hit and baiting him for the taunt. Knight
Wow.
gets the follow up. And this will do a full combo. And Bilal takes first blood here.
Nice. Bilal's grumpy face is on and he is serious. Oh, 3-1 हो गया ना. कमान है 3-0 मार.
Missing the extension. Nice follow up. What will be the mix up?
Yeah, we have to change the score and name. Sorry.
It's not coming slow.
The AOP Princess is back.
So it's 1-1. Nice sidestep. Conversion takes him to the wall.
Okay.
OP.
Okay.
Nice taunt.
God.
Nice conversion. Takes him to the other wall.
Oh,
Breaks the
the
wall. Misses the combo.
miss.
And gets plus frames. Interrupted by Exile.
Okay.
Nice block
Duck
on the
again.
rage
Oh, what the hell? Oh, no. That's not. While standing 2 was not an option here.
Wall looking to pull a comeback here.
Okay. I think Irtaza is more than capable of winning from here.
Yeah,
Oh my
they
God.
still have 2 choices left.
Oh, but he has to get away from the wall. Oh no!
Catches him. Big
Very,
jabbing.
very good. Still safe.
Still Bilal alive, but
Just
last
one
hit.
combo away.
One combo away from
Don't get hit by a orbital. Thank God.
AOP.
Thank God.
Crouch 4 takes the round.
Oh
And
my
will
God.
this be the final round,
Just
or will Bilal
Irtaza would
come
have
back?
been praying that his stick malfunction again, and he gets the round.
Follow up. Plus frames, shooting star.
Great, so the in driving seat.
Irtaza trying to take advantage of that ball.
No.
While two counter
No,
hit.
no.
Misses the
Bilal
follow-up.
is in the corners right now. Oh my god, crap.
Huge chunk of damage.
Okay, Bilal is out of the boundaries. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh god, nice. So nice. Irtaza is on the roll today, guys. First the Qasim team and now the
So
Bilal
Team
team.
Spartan takes it 1-4.
Nice, man. Nice.
Team undisputed. Putting Nasser Bilal and Awais Hani, Gen1 Gaming Awais Hani, losers bracket.
Nice. Okay, we have to. I think Khan is updating the brackets. Okay, we have Team Flames versus Multan team. Faizan